Hi guys, Captain Nick here again with MarineMax St. Petersburg, and behind me today is a Boston Whaler 330 Outrage. Now this walkthrough is going to be done a little bit differently. I'm going to focus on 5 features on why this boat is the perfect fishing machine. Starting off with number 1, the functionality of the actual hull. You bang your hand up against the hull of this boat, it's about the most solid hull you're ever going to feel. With a foam-filled boat, unsinkable, of course, Boston Whaler, the unsinkable legend. Also coming down here, you're going to have a bow thruster. Now, a lot of people like to refer to bow thrusters as old school compared to joystick technology. But as a captain, why do I prefer a bow thruster? Because when you really need a bow thruster, if you're coming in on one engine, that's when a bow thruster is going to work when a joystick won't. A little bit more fail-safe in my eyes. Also, moving on up here, look at how they redesigned this hull with the Carolina flare up on the bow. Now, you're in a 33-foot center console. You have enough bow to make it to that next wave. You're in a 5-footer, you're not going to stuff the bow, you're going to break right through it on the way out to the fishing grounds. Next, I'm going to focus on feature number 2, reliability. And I'm talking about these twin Mercury 350 Verados. Now, you're talking about a 5th generation engine that has proven itself, made by an American-made company that will back a 3-year standard warranty, so you are never left stranded offshore. Feature number 3 I'm going to talk about is Fishability. With a big deck back here, massive live well, readily accessible. Also, we're going to have 2 in-deck fish boxes. That Whaler did not skimp out on size with either of them. Also, the whole point of the fishability of a center console is able to fish around the whole bow and around the center console. So follow me around here. Whether you're trolling off the back or you're bottom fishing, from experience, I can tell you that 4 people bottom fishing on each side of a 33 Outrage does not feel crowded whatsoever. Point number 4 on this particular 33 Outrage, proportion. So this boat is big enough to ride like a big boat, but small enough to handle like a little boat. With twin throttles on twin engines, able to walk this boat around, even with a bow thruster. It's small enough where just about anybody can drive it. Also, ease of ownership with 2 engines. You're not having 3 or 4 engines on the back of the boat. Everything is built to proportion on the Boston Whaler 330 Outrage, and it handles like so. And last but not least, feature number 5, and I'm talking about family capabilities. Plenty of seating up on the bow here, but you're not sacrificing that fishability when you still have the available resource to walk around when needed. When you got a fish that's going absolutely nuts up on the bow trying to run all over the place, follow him around. So alright guys, I get it. This video is a little bit higher intensity, but I apologize because I'm a little bit fired up. For a great reason too. So take it from somebody who wants to go out to the middle grounds in the summertime or competitive king fishing in the spring or the fall. Please let me take you out and show you what this boat's all about. Once again, I'm Captain Nick Pavlakis from MarineMax St. Petersburg, and I look forward to getting you on your next dream boat. I'm signing off. Thanks for joining, guys.